So again, I brought the image that we're given for example 1 just mainly for reference purposes. You probably want to reference the actual graph in the lesson. What we're asked is to use the graph to determine the slope. So if we look at these points, if you go to the original graph, it's a lot clearer, but you can see that this first point is 5/100. The second point is a little hard to tell. So we'll go to the third point, which is 15/250. And we know that this other point is 10 something, and we'll determine that here in a second. So to find the slope, we'll just use the actual graph. So in the x direction, we're going from 5 to 15, so that's a difference of 10. And we're going in the y direction from 100 to 250, which is a change of 150. And the slope equals rise over run, which equals 150 over 10, which equals 15. Now, if that's the case, we're going from, in this case, 5 to 10, so that's a difference of 5. So with this point here, so let's see if it makes sense where it ends up being. We know from here to here is 5 to 10, which is 5. So if we're going up 15 for every 1 unit, that equals how much we're going up over 5 units. So just cross multiply, we have 10 times 5 is 50, 5 times 5 is 25, so that'd be 75. So the change in y should be 75, so this point right here should be 10/175. And if we look back to the original graph, it does seem like that could easily be 175, which makes sense since it's on a straight line. And we could actually determine the slope from that as well. 5 this way and 75 this way. If we went rise over run with that case, 75 over 5 equals, you guessed it, 15.